What is up, life agents? It's Pete Fournier coming at you for a minute to talk about selling your warm market. Now, there are some captive companies, some IMOs, some agency managers that will insist that you write down 50, 100, 250 people that you know, whatever the case may be, even sometimes before you get licensed. Granted, I do not think that's the play, but the warm market is basically your best bet to get some instant and constant flowing leads, okay? But there's two things that you got to remember when selling your warm market. One, you have to know your stuff, okay? Don't necessarily bring your manager on the appointment or even a mentor or anything like that. Your family and friends and referrals will trust you far more than they'll trust somebody that's your upline. So know your product. Step two, utilize empathy. Make sure you're giving them the best products for their situation. Talk to them about what lots of clients do when they get married, when they buy a house, when they have a baby, when they're planning for retirement, and when they're a senior citizen, okay? It will help them make an educated decision on the products they elect, and you are looking out for their best interests. Most of these people are your friends and your family. You want what's best for them, so make sure you're showing it to them. That's it for today. I'm Pete Fournier. That's the Daily Tip. I'll see you next time.